Hey folks, I am Becky with Enduring Finances. Welcome to my channel. Today we are taking a look at the breakdown of all of the individual dividends that I earned in the month of May and my overall portfolio, how it increased, how it did, and how I rebalanced my portfolio by purchasing new shares of stock. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the overall breakdown of my portfolio and what we saw as far as an increase or a decrease for the month of May. Alright, so May was a fantastic month for us. We gained over 5.29% in market value of my portfolio, bringing us up $1,807.59 to a new portfolio balance of $35,964.68. So really close to that $36,000 mark, which is fantastic. I'm happy to see that. As far as overall, for this year, we are up over $2,876 for a gain of 8.55% in market value. Most of that is going to be from this last month, as we've only had 1 month in the red so far this year. So very happy to see these very slow increases over this year so far. Let's jump into how this impacts my strategy and how I reinvest my money into dividend stocks and what I'm looking at for next month. As far as last month's breakdown, we wanted to focus on real estate, healthcare, and telecommunication as far as reinvesting money into those sectors of the stock market. And that's what we did. We focused primarily on real estate. We bought 2 shares of ticker symbol OHI, 4 shares of ticker symbol NLY, and 2 shares of ticker symbol RITM, spending a total of $161.92 on those 8 shares there. And this is what we're looking like at the end of May going into June. We're sitting about $1,238.50 on a yearly breakdown of dividends for that. A lot of these different sectors are below what my goal, my target breakdown would be, and this is fluctuating based off of the value of my overall portfolio and the percentages there, so the numbers are increasing as the different stocks within those sectors are adjusting day to day and minute to minute even. As far as going into June, we're going to try and focus on reinvesting money into real estate and into healthcare and bring those up a little bit just because they are sagging a little bit more than the rest of the different sectors, but not too shabby there. Let's go ahead and see the overall amount of dividends that I earned this last month. So as far as dividend goes, this month was a little bit on the lower side as we tend to have a triple effect with that. We came in with $79.09, bringing our total dividend yield this year to $529.85. Next month should be slightly higher, and then July should be a pretty big month for us again, just following that statistically speaking. But very happy to see that. Good month overall, getting a little bit higher than our last 3 months ago. So happy to see that. Let's go ahead and jump into the 19 individual dividends that I earned for the month of May. Alright, so dividend number 1 is going to be ticker symbol GIS, which is General Mills. We have 9 shares of stock, and we earned $5.31 from those shares, and we are up about $58 in this position. Dividend number 2 coming in again on the 1st of May is ticker symbol T, which is AT&T. We own 39 shares of the stock, and we earned $10.82 in dividends, and we are down about 37.25% for a loss of about $421 in market value. Dividend number 3 coming in on the 6th of May is ticker symbol BNDX, which is the Vanguard Total International Bond ETF, which is a monthly dividend earner. We earned 27 cents this last month from the 3 shares that we own, and we are down about 5% in this position for a loss of about $8, so not too shabby there. Dividend number 4 coming in on the 9th of May is ticker symbol BK, which is the Bank New York Mellon Corporation. For $2.10, I own 5 shares of the stock, and we are up just shy of 40.3% in this position for a gain of about $85.50. Dividend number 5 coming in on the 10th of May is ticker symbol AXP, which is American Express Company, for $4.90. I own 7 shares of the stock, and we are up a fantastic 90.87% in the position for a gain of just under $800. And this is a bigger company in my portfolio, coming in at 4.67% of my overall value. And they went ahead and increased their dividend 10 cents from 60 cents a share to 70 cents a share. So very happy to see that. Dividend number 6 coming in again on the 10th of May is ticker symbol COST, which is Costco. We own 3 shares of the stock and earned $3.48 from dividends, and we are up almost 119% in this position for a gain of just shy of $1,320. And this is one of the biggest companies in my portfolio, coming in with a total weight of 6.76%. And on average, the companies in my portfolio are going to be right around 1 to 1.5%. So anything above that is quite big in my portfolio. And Costco went ahead and increased their dividend again from $1.02 a share to $1.16 a share. So a big 14-cent jump there. Dividend number 7 coming in on the 15th of May is ticker symbol ABBV for $1.55. I own 1 share of this stock, and we are up exactly $54.09 for a gain of about 50.5% overall. Dividend number 8 coming in again on the 15th of May is ticker symbol KMI, which is Kinder Morgan Incorporated, for $2.01. I have 7 shares of this stock, and we are up exactly 45% in this position for a gain of about $42.34. And they went ahead and increased their dividend a fraction of a penny from 0.2825 to 0.2875 cents per stock. Yes, you know what I'm talking. Alright, dividend number 9 coming in on the 15th of May is ticker symbol NNN, which is NN REIT Incorporated, for $6.78. I own 12 shares of this stock, and we are up 4.8% in this position for a gain of just shy of $23. Dividend number 10 coming in again on the 15th of May is ticker symbol O, which is Realty Income Corporation. We own 11 shares of the stock and earned $2.83 in dividends for them. And we are down about 13.1% in this position for a loss of about $88 overall. Dividend number 11 coming in on the 15th of May is ticker symbol OHI, which is Omega Healthcare Investors. Goodness. We earned $16.08 from the 26 shares that I own, and we are up about $59 in this position for a gain of about 7.63% in market value. And then dividend number 12 coming in again on the 15th of May, ticker symbol OKE. We earned $4.95 from them, from 4 shares that we own, and we are up about 73.5% in this position for a gain of about $171. Dividend number 13, the last dividend on the 15th of May, is ticker symbol STAG, which is Stag Industrial. We earned 99 cents from the 8 shares that I own, and we are down about 4.5% for a loss of about $13.50 in market value. Dividend number 14 coming in on the 16th of May is ticker symbol AAPL, which is Apple Incorporated. We earned $4 from the 16 shares that we own, and we are up over $1,300 in this position for a market value gain of about 75%. And this is the biggest company in my portfolio, coming in at 8.55% of my total value. And Apple went ahead and increased their dividend 1 cent from 24 cents a share to 25 cents a share. Dividend number 15 coming in on the 22nd of May is ticker symbol WRK, which is West Rock Company. We earned 91 cents from the 3 shares that I own, and we are up about $44 in this position, so not too shabby there. Dividend number 16 coming in on the 24th of May is ticker symbol RY, which is the Royal Bank of Canada, which is a Canadian company, so we are seeing that tax come out. We took home $2.58 in dividends from the 3 shares that we own, and we are up a total 81 cents in this position for a gain of about 33.26% overall. Dividend number 17 coming in on the 28th of May is ticker symbol EFC, one of my monthly dividend earners. We made $7.15 off the 55 shares that we own, and this company is down about 33% in market value for a loss for me about $330. Dividend number 18 coming in on the 29th of May is ticker symbol SIRI, which is Sirius XM Holdings, for 48 cents. I own 18 shares of this stock, and we are down about 43.9% in this position for a loss of just under $40. So, company's bad, but not too much. And then the last dividend, dividend 19, coming on the 31st of May is ticker symbol LTC. We earned $1.90 from the 10 shares that I own, and we are at a loss of about $31.16 in this position. And that wraps up all of the 19 individual dividends that I earned in May. Let's go ahead and jump into my favorite part, the statistics and how this impacts my goals for my portfolio. Alright, so looking at our dividend yield, we saw a drop again of 3.45% dividend yield for my portfolio, and this is going to be because the portfolio increased in value. We saw a lot of companies increase their market value, which is going to decrease my dividend yield because the higher value they are and the less dividends they earn, the lower that yield is. So market value increased, dividend yield stayed the same of the company, but my dividend yield from the overall value decreased because of that. So I'm not worried about it. We saw a $1,238.50 dividend yield per average on a yearly basis. Per month, that would be $103.21. Per week, that would be $23.82. Per day, that would be $3.39 average dividend yield per day. Per hour, that would be 14 1/10 cents. Per minute, we're still looking at that 2/10 of a penny or whatever. And then if we were to compare this dividend yield to an average 40-hour work week, we would be making 59.5 cents per hour. And we can see that my dividend yield daily earnings have been all over the place this year. Staying right around the same area, which is good because we've seen dividend increase and drop and the market value increase overall. Let's go ahead and jump into our goals. So current value is just shy of $36,000. So we're going to go ahead and knock off all the way from $30,000 to $34,750 as far as our checkoffs list, because we want to reach a portfolio value of about $600,000. Total dividends this year is about $529.85. My goal is to earn $1,400 for this year. Dividend per month is about $103.21. We hit 105, we dropped back down. We also hit 345's daily dividend and dropped back down. We're about 6 cents shy of that. But overall, we are looking pretty good there. We are on track, I think, to hit all of our goals. Maybe not the dividend total yield this year, but I think we're doing all right. It was a good month for me as far as market value wise and, dividends. We got close to that $80 amount. And happy to see that we're continuing to make progress and companies are continuing to increase their dividends even if it is just a fraction of the penny. So I'm going to wrap it up here. Hopefully you guys also had a fantastic month with your own stock portfolio and your dividend earnings for the month of May. I will check in with you later. Bye guys!